Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my project share for the Smash Our Stash collab. It is hosted by Beth, who's Bourbon Creek Crafts, and there are quite a few other people who participate, and their channels will be linked down in the description below. And the whole point of this collab is just to use up items that we might otherwise, have forgotten about. Now, each month there is a theme or an item that we are to use in our projects. For the month of November, it is a free choice, so we can choose whatever item we want to use in our projects. So for mine, I kind of used two different things. I had this bag of little craft colored envelopes, or little bags, little package of these brown colored like craft bags. I've had them for a long time, so I finally used up 8 of these bags. And to decorate the bags that I made, I actually had made some embellishments. I think it was 2 months back. It was whenever we used brads as our item, and I had received some little rosettes from Beth. She had gifted them to me because she wasn't going to use them. They had like little baby themes, like little baby images on them, and I covered them up to make like rosettes that I would use. So I did decorate the bags using those rosettes. I did pull out these. I've had them for a while. I know they do still carry these because I just saw them like a month ago at Hobby Lobby, and they're these wooden stickers, and they just say thank you. And I also have a pack that says happy birthday, but I went with all thank you ones on these bags. And then I pulled out this Echo Park Dots and Stripes, which I actually purchased just recently from a store called Mindless Crafting. The owners are Bill and Tracy, and I do watch a lot of their lives and videos on YouTube, but this was from their store. So I used a lot of these, or 8 different ones of these. And so let me go ahead and show the projects real fast. I made these gift bags, which I thought they turned out really, really precious. I just took the paper, cut it down to 5.5 inches by 3. Actually, it's 5 1/4 by 2 3/4, because the white, I did add this white matte, and that one is 5.5 by 3. But the remaining piece that I cut off from the bottom here, I actually turned into this little extra piece here that I did pop up on some foam tape, and then these are dimensional as well. So it's kind of got a lot of thickness to it, but these are really super thick. The rosettes originally, or the original rosettes, came with a really thick foam circle on them, and I just took these flowers and like put double flowers on over the image. And as you can see, if I can pull this up here, there was like an image underneath it, and so I just covered it up with some coordinating flowers to make it something more usable. And there is the brad that I put in the middle on that one. So I really love how these turned out. I think they are so beautiful, and I cannot wait to actually gift them to people. And I did just put a little couple bling on the bag as well. And the colors in that paper just matched perfectly with the flowers. And I left kind of a little bit of a, maybe like a 1/2 inch space or whatever at the top, so I would have room to be able to fold it over real easy, because this is very thick. I have to get all that stuff on there, all the layers. So that's what they look like. So there's the first 2. Just love the colors in that paper. Here's the next one with this really pretty orange, because this is sort of a, well, in person or on the camera it looks like it has sort of a yellowy tint to it, but it's actually more of a peachy orange in person, and it goes really perfectly with that paper. And on the flower there's sort of a peachy colored, some of the flowers have a little bit of a peachy color to them, and I thought this one turned out really, really beautiful. And the next one is this one. That rosette there has sort of a light blue and sort of a couple different shades of pink and a really dark sort of brownish gray. And so they thought these bags just went together perfectly. And each one of those wooden stickers is a little bit different. They all say something along the lines of thanks or thank you, but they're all just a little bit different. So it'll be perfect for any kind of, little thank you gift that you wanted to do. Here's the next two. Now this is the reverse side of this. Each one of these patterns, which I don't know why it's called dots and stripes. I didn't see any stripes in this paper pad. There are no, everything has dots on it, so I don't know why it's called dots and stripes. I just happened to think of that. None of these patterns have stripes on them, but on one side there is sort of a muted polka dot pattern, and the back side has the white polka dots. So this is more like tone on one side, and the back side has the white dots on the same background color. And so I went with this one here with the white dots because it has a lot of white in the rosette, and the flower is white, sort of a creamy white. And then this one has the really pretty pink colors and the hot pink there. And there's those two. Just love these bags. The next one is another orange one. Now that is really bright orange. I think that one just turned out gorgeous. I think that sort of a denim-y blue looks perfect with the orange, and this is sort of a orange and grayish brown, brownish gray stripe on that flower. And then the last one, because I just made 8 of them because I had 8 of these rosettes. This one has sort of cream and brown, and then this rosette here that was the base is that sort of denim-y blue with gold stars. And so I thought that went really nicely with this sort of yellowy gold pattern paper. And so there is that one. So I've got 8 little gift bags I can use for any type of little occasion when I need to give someone a little thank you gift or something like that. And so that is what I made this month. Since it was a free choice month, I decided I would just go ahead and use up some of my past embellishments that I had made. So, and as well, use up these gift bags that have been sitting around for a long time, as well as these stickers here that I have had in my stash forever. The only thing that was new that I used was the paper pad. So I guess I used 3 different items from my stash, which is nice. So thank you everyone for stopping by and checking out my project for this month. Hope you check out the other channels that are in this collab, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.